Hi guys, it's Megan. Today we're gonna be making pumpkin roll cake. Yay! Woohoo! This is something that I love. I love roll cakes. You could do roll cake in any flavor. I like the chocolate kind, vanilla, whatever flavor you want. Pumpkin is really in season right now. It's fall, it's November.
Full disclosure, this recipe did not work as intended, hence the fail video. I'm pretty sure it wasn't the ingredients, it was my cake spreading skills.
We're gonna get right to it. Now I'm gonna pop this bad boy on the stand mixer. We're almost ready to bake it. The oven's all heated up. Just gotta pour this onto the pan. I just want to add really quick, this is not a jelly roll pan. There's actually a specific type of baking sheet called a jelly roll pan, but I have done this before with just a regular large size baking sheet and it has worked for me. But you need to smooth out your batter. Just try to get it between 12 by 16 or so. And you really want a nice rectangle. It's gonna take me a minute to get it right. You want it pretty thin. Now I'm gonna pop this bad boy into the oven. And it's gonna bake for 15 to 25 minutes. Okay, this is the home stretch. I hope you're ready for cake. I know I am. We're gonna start with cream cheese. We've got a little bit of butter. We've got vanilla and powdered sugar. That's it. It's so easy. Let's do this and get it done. 8 ounces of cream cheese, a little bit at room temperature. 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Room temperature because it's easier to mix that way. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla makes everything better. 1 cup of powdered sugar ran through the sifter to make your frosting extra creamy. You can also add milk if you need to thin it out. You might be tempted to skip this step, but trust me, you don't want to do that. You do not want lumpy frosting. Okay, I took the cake out. I'm pretty sure it's done. I'm gonna check it with a toothpick. We're gonna let this cool just a little bit, but while it is still warm, I'm gonna roll it in a clean towel. Yes, the toothpick is clean. It is done. First, I'm gonna start mixing the frosting. Okay, at this point, it is perfectly baked. It is still warm. We're going to roll it up because you want to have the rolled shape while it is still warm. Oh, uh-oh, it's a little bit sticking. Oh, I think it's gonna break too. If it breaks, it's okay. It's gonna still be a tasty cake. Yeah, it's breaking. This is a fail. I can't post this. Just stop. This is trash. It's breaking all over. Like, I can't. Okay, this is the finished product. This is a little bit or a lot of bit of a cake fail, but it's fine. We're not gonna waste it. We're still gonna eat it, even if it looks terrible, because it's still edible food. It is okay to fail. I will try again. Just keep trying again. Okay, all right, and that is it. That is our cake. It just needs powdered sugar. And that is it. All right, guys, it is all right. That's it. It tastes fine. I'll definitely give it another go. It doesn't always work out, and this is just an example of move on and get over it. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to insult me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more content similar to this. Maybe, hopefully not as much of a fail. Until next time, bye!